Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Canva AI Magic Design. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here in Canva, we're going to teach you how to do AI generated designs. It's pretty easy to do. So here in Canva AI Magic Design, we're going to just show you simple things to do, such as using the text to image generator and other things like that. So basically, as you can see here, we have our free online AI generator. So you can generate images using Canva itself. So we're going to introduce you to the text to image first before using it. So basically, here in Canva AI generator, it means the perfect image is always at your fingertips, even if it doesn't exist yet. So you can create images that visualize a product or idea, sketch out a creative concept, or push the limits of what's possible. So simply type off your text prompt. So perhaps, as you can see here, there's a text prompt for an example, such as a panda riding a bike through a city with depth of field. It's pretty accurate, as you can see right there. So you can just watch your words and phrases transform into beautiful images you can use on any of your creative projects, like your presentation or perhaps your social media posts. So perhaps you want to know what Canva is. So Canva basically is an Australian global multinational graphic design platform that is used to create social media graphics and presentations. It is widely used in the whole wide world for graphic information. So basically, here in Canva, you can do a lot of things, from marketing to presentations in school or in your work. So basically, what is Canva and its benefits? Since Canva is a free online design platform that offers a wide range of professionally designed templates and tools to help you create stunning visuals, whether you need to create a simple flyer for an event or a polished presentation, Canva has everything you need to give your designs a professional look and feel. So basically, here in their text to image generator, you can step it up a notch. So you can choose your own image style, as we'll demonstrate to you later. So the experimentation is a big part of your creation. So you can also test out different modes for your generated AI images using our style option like watercolor, filmic, neon, and color pencil, and retrowave. So you can choose a specific style and aspect ratio to match your concept. You're going forward with our AI photo generator app. So you can easily turn next prompts into an art that captures your 1000%. And basically, you can also edit the photo after you've done it. So you can enhance your images in your own way and place layers with effects and filters. So you can also captivate with words and graphic, and you can also report images, as you can see. So if it's graphic violence, or perhaps you have generated something that is too far for your understanding, or perhaps has bad content on it, so you can report these images right away to Canva and they will do it feedback for you. So the AI generated images is for all creatives. So it's for content creators, entrepreneurs, and for budding artists. So the experiment is very, very, very simple to do, since the AI generator from text to image is free and doesn't require the Canva Pro. And unlike Midjourney and other text to image generators, you don't really have to go to the website or perhaps go to Discord just to generate it and then import it to Canva again if you want to design it there again. So here you can just do it actually in your own pace in Canva itself. So it's integrated to the application, so you don't really have to do such things anymore. So as you can see here, you can generate images from text. Forest art styles are available, Magic Edit, Eraser Pro. These are just the features you can use for your presentation, and this is the magic design that we have been talking about. So there's the creating images from AI. So there's also Magic Edit. So with the perfect image, your Magic Edit, you can choose something you want to add. You can just describe it in Magic Edit and watch it as it appears out of nowhere. So the next one is Magic Eraser Pro. So you can instantly clean up your image and remove any unwanted distractions with a Magic Eraser. So there's no manual editing needed if you want to erase something in the background. Perhaps there's a crowd in the background and you don't want it, so you can erase it using the magic eraser, but it's only available in the pro version of Canva, unfortunately. So you can also enhance your images, and there's also photo effects and filters, and you can also add text to photo. So there's also a one-click remove background. It's only available in the pro version. It removes image backgrounds for perfect product and photo headshot or transparent PNGs. So this is useful when you want to do a portrait of yourself. So for example, you have taken a picture of yourself in portrait mode, and perhaps you want to remove the background and place it in your photo in another photo as an overlay. You can do it here with the one-click background remover, but unfortunately this is only available in the pro version. And the next thing is automatically translate your design. So with over 100 languages to choose from, you can automatically convert the text in your design with translate and edit to perfection. So the last features are just the millions of free images and icons and graphics here in Canva. So you can access them anywhere and auto-save them. And there you go. There's also easy sharing with exporting tools. There's a different formats from JPEG, PNG, and PDF. You can select it from there. So there's also cloud storage for 5 GB free, or you can upgrade to Canva Pro, where you can get unlimited folders up to 100 GB and real-time collaboration and content planners. So we're gonna demonstrate it to you here in Canva. As you can see, I have done a little bit of messing around, as you can see right there. So we're just gonna head on and add our custom template. So we're gonna go with custom size. So we're just gonna go with 180 by 180. Standard Instagram square post and image generate. So right there, all you have to do is go to your apps and then just look for the applications that you want to access from Canva. So there are a lot you can use here. So mainly I want to do the text to image. It's my favorite personally. So there's also, as you can see here, blobs, bingo, and other things like that. And you can also use DALL-E, like I've been saying. It's a text to image generator too, but it's an external one. It's a third-party application. So basically you can use the text to image generator right here, as you can see. And there's also other things you can look for. So let's just go with text to image generator. So right here, I'm just gonna give you a simple example on how to do so. So here you enter your prompt. So let's just say dinosaur on a skateboard. And there you go. And then here all you have to do is all you have to do here is choose the styles you want it from. So you want a photo, or you want it to be vibrant, or perhaps minimalist, neon, filmic, and other things like that. Or you want it to be perhaps playful, or you want it fine art, for perhaps you want to print it and place it on your room. You can hang it right there. So we're just gonna go with photo, and then you have to select your aspect ratio. And then there you go. You can generate the text to image right here. So it's gonna take a while for it to generate, since it's just generating it for you. So like I said a while ago, it's kind of bothering to go to other text to image generators, since it's pretty bothering to export and import them to Canva just to edit them again. So as you can see here, there's a dinosaur on a skateboard. It looks pretty awesome just from the prompt that we gave it, and it's not really realistic. So if you want to do it realistic, you gotta be specific with your prompts, and to do so, just type it in here again and then create again. So as you can see here, there's also credits, like use 1 credit out of the 496 credits I have. So this will also refresh at another date, so you have to take note of that. It is free, but it's not totally free of charge, since you see it will run out soon. So those are just the things you can do to make your Canva AI Magic Design come to life. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.